In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on one simple, useful task in Google Meet: how to set a custom background so your meetings look clean, professional, or just a little more you. I'll walk you through where to find the setting, what each option does, and a few practical tips to make your background look great without slowing your device down. First, open Google Meet in your web browser or the official app. If you're on the web, you can access the lobby view before you join a meeting, which is a perfect place to set things up. Make sure your camera preview is visible so you can see changes in real time. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that with your usual account. Good lighting helps any background look better, so face a light source if you can. Next, look for the More Options button on the meeting toolbar. This is the three-dot icon typically located along the bottom of your screen. Click that to open the expanded menu of meeting controls. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse so the toolbar appears, or tap your screen on mobile to reveal the controls. From the menu that opens, select Backgrounds and Effects. This will open a panel where you can blur your real background, choose from preset images, or apply subtle visual effects. A slight blur is a great low-impact choice if your computer is older, because it's gentler on performance than high-intensity effects. As you hover or click, you'll see a live preview next to your video, so you know exactly how it looks before anyone else does. To use your own image, choose the option to add your own personal background. This lets you upload a photo from your device. For the best results, pick a landscape image with a 16:9 aspect ratio, ideally at 1920 by 1080 pixels or higher. JPG and PNG files work well. Choose something clean and not too busy. Solid colors, soft gradients, or tidy office scenes are reliable choices. Avoid heavy text, busy patterns, or anything that might distract others in the meeting. After you select your image, give it a moment to load. You'll see it applied behind you in the preview. If it doesn't look right, simply pick another image or switch back to blur. When you're happy with the look, you're done. Your background choice will carry into the meeting. You can return to the same Backgrounds and Effects menu anytime to change or turn off your background. That's it. Quick, clear, and polished. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Google Meet with a background that works for you.